Hello traders, you are welcome back to the Forex Geek channel. In this video, we are going to be looking at the Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator for MT4. All right, I'm just going to add the indicator to the chart right now. All right, so here we go. This is an effective tool for traders who want to understand market volatility and anticipate big price moves before they happen. If you're someone who trades in volatile markets or uses scalping and swing trading strategies, this tool is a great addition to your arsenal. Let us quickly get started. First of all, let us break down exactly what the Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator is. This tool measures the difference between the outer bands of the classic Bollinger Bands. Let me just add the classic Bollinger Bands to the charts, for the purpose of explanation. All right, so the Bollinger Bandwidth measures the difference between the outer bands. Remember that this is the upper band and the lower band, the outer bands of the Bollinger Bands, right? The bandwidth indicator measures the difference between these bands. Essentially, it tracks the width of the Bollinger Bands. So when volatility increases, the bands widen. Remember that that's how the Bollinger Bands shows that there is increase in volatility, when the bands begin to widen. All right. Then when volatility decreases, the bands contract. So the Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator works as an oscillator, tracking these changes in volatility in real time. So why is this important for traders? When the Bollinger Bands contract, it indicates that the market might be preparing for a volatile price move. Conversely, when the indicator shows a decrease, when the bandwidth indicator shows a decrease, when it comes down and remains flat, it suggests that the market is waiting for direction. You can see it's just interpreting what is happening with the Bollinger Bands. When it remains flat, it shows that the market is probably consolidating and waiting for a clear direction, making it ripe for a significant move. So this gives you a heads up on what to expect next. Now let us talk about how this indicator can be used in different time frames. Whether you are trading intraday charts, daily, weekly, or monthly charts, the Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator works well across all of them. For scalpers, it is a great tool to catch short-term volatility shifts. For swing traders, it can help spot larger market moves and potential breakout opportunities. However, there is something crucial to remember. The Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator does not provide the market direction. Okay? It only helps you identify volatility and the likelihood of a price move. So it is important to use this tool alongside other indicators or price action, price action to confirm whether the market is trending up or down. One way to use this indicator is to look for patterns like, double tops, double bottoms in the oscillator. A double top in the oscillator can signal a sell opportunity, and a double bottom, you can see here we had a double top, right? And we had a sell eventually, right? And a double bottom can signal a buy opportunity. So when you spot these patterns, it is time to enter a trade, but always make sure to use a risk to reward ratio to determine your exit points, since the indicator does not give you a specific profit target. Another strategy is to spot divergence between the oscillator and the price chart. If you notice that the indicator is showing increasing bandwidth, When the indicator is showing increasing bandwidth, but the price is not following suit, it could signal a potential reversal or upcoming breakout. So this kind of divergence can give you a heads up before the market makes its next move. Now, for advanced traders, you can also plot trend lines on the Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator to look for breakouts. All right, for example, we can see that we had a consolidation phase around here. And the Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator was flat, showing a phase of consolidation. So if you identify the highs and lows on this indicator, when a breakout happens, it could signal that a breakout is also about to happen with price. All right, remember that this indicator does not show direction. So when it goes up, it doesn't matter whether it's a sell trend or a buy trend. When the indicator rises up, it shows that potential breakout is about to happen, or maybe there's an increase in momentum or increase in volatility. Okay, so you keep in mind that trend line breaks on the indicator do not directly show market direction, okay, but they can help you identify whether volatility is increasing or decreasing, which is crucial for making timely decisions. Also, make sure that you pay attention to your risk management practices, okay? Do not trade with an amount that you cannot afford to lose. Ensure that you do not risk more than 1 to 2% of your account balance in a single trade. And pay attention to your risk to reward ratios. If you are risking 10 pips, maybe you enter the buy trade and you are risking 10 pips, your potential profit should be at least 20 pips. So make sure that you have already calculated your risk and your reward before entering the trade. All right? You set realistic targets. The take profit target should be around resistance zones for your buy trade and around support zones for a sell trades, while stop loss is above swing highs for a sell and below swing lows for a buy. In conclusion, the Bollinger Bandwidth Indicator is an incredibly useful tool for understanding market volatility. While it doesn't directly tell you the direction of the market, it can help you anticipate when significant price moves are likely to occur. So whether you are a scalper, a swing trader, or a beginner just getting started with technical analysis, this tool can be a valuable part of your trading strategy. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on more tips and strategies to level up your trading game. In the meantime, thank you for watching, and I hope to see you in the next video. Happy trading.